My name is Sotiris Tsiknakis. I've been from Petros Diner almost 15 years. I born in South Greece. I started from a young boy to work on a bakery shop in Greece, and after I moved in the United States, I do the same job. The cakes over there is a little different, and the only where the American people eat and I like is the Greek baklava. That's my grandmom's recipe. It was all kind of cakes, right? All kind of pastries, and we make it fresh every day. All kinds of this cake, strawberry, plain, all kind of fruit, chocolate, raspberry, fresh all the time, fresh fruit. A little different is apple turnovers, pig ears. I have some more selection on the pie case, brownies, muffins, all kind of muffins, corn muffins, blueberry muffins, brown muffins. We sell over here most strawberry shortcake. The people like more that, and the tub of fat chocolate cake. This one over there. Yeah, I like to make a custom cakes, and if the people order, I make it fresh. I cook fresh, and I make it to order every day. Birthday, anniversary, yes. If somebody order something special, something different, I try to make it.